Learning the new Outlook, configuring notifications and reminders. Notifications and reminders help users stay informed about meetings and tasks. You manage notifications and settings. Select General Notifications. Then, Mail. A desktop alert is a notification that appears on your desktop when you receive a new email message, a meeting request, or a task request. You can individually control the appearance and sound of notifications on new email reactions and app mentions. There is a master control for notification sounds, allowing you to silence all notification sounds with one switch. If you choose, you can change the default sound in Windows settings. You can also enable notifications for comments, edits, and mentions in your documents. That will show in the Documents pane if you have multiple accounts connected. An account selector box will allow you to customize notifications for each account per device. This allows you to perhaps silence personal notifications while on your work device, even if your personal account is added to new Outlook. Users can customize their quick actions like delete, flag, and dismiss, allowing them to manage emails directly from the notification or the message list. Reminders will alert you that a scheduled event is coming. You can individually control the appearance and sound of reminders, as well as notifications. You can set a default reminder time for all new calendar events in calendar settings. Under Events, you select the default reminder drop-down, choose your preferred reminder time, and click Save to change the reminder for a specific event or event series. Open the event in your calendar, choose your preferred reminder time, or select Don't Remind Me. There are actions you can take from the reminder itself. In the reminder, you can quickly hover over an item to join the meeting, chat with the participants of the meeting, snooze the reminder, which resurfaces the reminder at a later time, or dismiss the reminder, which removes it from the window. You can also dismiss all reminders or visit your reminder settings by interacting with the buttons. At the footer of the reminder window, at times, you may want to manually look at or manage your reminders. You can quickly access this in your ribbon. Note that if your calendar notification style and settings is not set to reminder, this option will not appear in your ribbon. You can add reminders to tasks too. Use the My Day pane to add or remove a reminder to a task, and To Do to add or remove a reminder for a task. Open the To Do pane, right-click on a task, set the reminder to add. If a reminder is already in place, you can remove or edit it. Note, if you modify a reminder, you have to reschedule the send to ensure the recipient has the updated reminder. Thank you for watching us.